Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The iPhone 12 is coming in 2020 and it may be a big change to Apple's flagship smartphone. After a limited update with the iPhone 11 series, the new flagship phone of a new decade seemed to be the perfect opportunity for a shake-up. Why does Apple need to change things with the iPhone 12? The iPhone 11 range focused on camera tweaks and upping the power inside, but these were modest upgrades on the iPhone XS series. We have already seen Apple unveil the budget iPhone this year in the form of iPhone SE, but it's almost certain the company will bring a new flagship series toward the end of the year. If you are excited about the iPhone 12 leaks and rumors, you are in luck because there are many at the moment. There isn't any official iPhone 12 release date information available yet. We are almost certain the phone or phones will appear in 2020. Firstly, the new iPhone release date will probably be in September 2020, and it's always around the second week of the month. It's almost always unveiled on a Tuesday too, so we would put our money on it being revealed on September 8, 2020. There's always the chance it may be pushed back to September 15th too. We would predict that you will be able to pick it up 10 days after that, so you will need a Friday off work if you are desperate to get your hands on one. That being said, there's a chance that the COVID-19 pandemic's impact on the production of the next iPhone may push things back. We had heard the development would be unaffected, but there are even now reports that the main manufacturing factories are full staffed up. Plus, an executive at Foxconn, the main manufacturer of the iPhone, has said the company aims and hopes to make up for lost ground. But elsewhere, there are reports that the phone will be delayed until October or November, with Apple apparently not even having finalized the design in late March 2020. Some sources even say it could slip into 2021, with Reuters also claiming a delay could be likely. So what is going to happen? No one knows for certain yet, but there's a strong possibility that the iPhone 12 release date may be staggered by model. This is something said by respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who says it would likely be larger models of the phone that would come later than September. As of April 2020, the most recent news on this subject comes from a report in the Wall Street Journal, which states that production of the iPhone 12 has been delayed by around a month. That doesn't necessarily mean that the release date of the range will also be delayed, as the company may find a way to make up for lost time, but we would think there's a significant chance that will be. How are these phones going to power 5G connectivity? One rumor suggests it will have a custom-made 5G antenna alongside a 5nm A14 Bionic processor. What that means for the average consumer is an iPhone with an even larger battery life and more power than ever. That would be rather impressive given the iPhone battery life is currently the best we have ever seen from Apple. The iPhone 12 might also get a camera upgrade with a laser-powered 3D camera rumored for inclusion. One source says the iPhone 12 might get a 64-megapixel main camera over the 12-megapixel snapper on the previous few versions, which would be a huge upgrade. This leak also suggests that the iPhone will have a multiple lens that support night mode shooting, and the ultra-wide snapper could have a dedicated macro mode. Well, that will be all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.